going on, guys? And I was just watching a YouTube video, right? Gave me the idea because it's about guns. I watch a lot of guns. I'm obsessed with them. That gave me the idea to make a K'NEX gun. Like this thing is just bro. It even comes with a silencer. Look. Like, isn't that crazy? I'm gonna show you how you can make this massive gun. You make it. So all you need for this is 1 second. I'm gonna pause it until So all you need for this is 3 of these long yellow bits, 2 cogs, white ones, 1 red thing, that one of them. You need 2 orange ladders. You need 1 blue stick. You need 1 yellow half cog. No, you need 3 yellow half cogs, sorry. And you need 2 green quarter cogs. So this is how you make it. First thing you want is 2 of the yellow half cogs. 1 up. 2 of these. And all of these. So the first thing you'll need to do is get this, click on top of there. And you push really hard. Or just click in. There you go. And then click this one. 1 second. There we go. So it should be attached like that. Now I need 1 of these and this. Stick it on. And then grab this and stick this through the middle of that. Grab this. Stick that one on in the same place. Like that. So now you should have this piece all together. Now what you want to do is you want to grab the 3 of the yellow sticks and the 2 orange ladders. Then you want to get 1 of these sticks, click it on, grab 1 of these, click it on, grab another 1 of these, click it on, grab this one, click it on. So there's the stick. Then grab a white cog, stick that on. And then grab 1 of these and stick that on here. Like that. And then you stick this bit on there. Right? Now you're gonna get this and click that on there. Now you can, oops, grab this bit. Oh my god. Now you can grab this bit and click that on after this bit that you just put on. Right? And then pull it back. So that's going to be your trigger. Now if you want, I customized it the first time, but I'm not going to customize it, so.
He said, wait.
Yeah, good, get it.
Wait.
Now what you're going to want to do is grab your last cog and the last stick. Stick it on there. There's your silencer.
Lisa, you will.
Good, ghetto.
You will, honey.
And then there you go. There's a gun.
It's like, boo.
Pretty cool. It's pretty big.
Boo.
Good, ghetto.
Boo now.
It's pretty big, and it's actually really big when you stick the silencer
King.
on.
King.
Good, ghetto.
We're on the key now. Pencil.
Three.
Free.
And then it's pretty big. It's a really big gun. Really easy to make. Yeah. Pretty big gun. And anyway, guys, peace out. Like the video. By the way, do you want to join my free fidget spinner giveaway? To enter that, all you need to do is like the video, subscribe to my channel, turn on post notification, and then last thing you need to do is comment saying that you subscribed, and then comment again saying hashtag fidget spinner, and I'll go to your channel, message you, and let you choose what color fidget spinner you want, and I'll ship it right to your house. Anyway, bye for now, peace out, and stay champions.